Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Pgadmin 4 on RHEL 9. Pgadmin is the GUI tool for the PostgreSQL. First step is, if you haven't installed PostgreSQL on your machine, then go to the link provided in the video description and install it. Then install the Pgadmin. The process is same on RHEL, Oracle Linux, Fedora and Alma Linux or Oracle Linux. Now open terminal. Let us verify PostgreSQL is installed or not. Sudo su-postgres. See, I have the PostgreSQL installed. Also, we can verify sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, we have the PostgreSQL is installed and it is running. Okay, Q to quit, Ctrl L to clear screen. Now verify activities, then search for Pgadmin. See, we don't have Pgadmin. Even if you click on show applications, see, we are unable to find. Now open browser. Go to pgadmin.org. Hit enter. See here, Pgadmin is the most popular feature-rich open source administration and development platform for PostgreSQL. The most advanced open source database in the world. Okay, so click on download. Then for RHEL, Oracle Linux, Fedora, Alma Linux, RHEL Linux, type of Linux distributions, we have to select the RPM. So click on RPM. See here, the supported RHEL version is 9. Okay, so click on it. Once we clicked on this one, see, it has populated these commands. So for RHEL, we have to run these commands. Copy this one, go to the terminal, paste it, hit enter. See, it is done. Now, see here, we have the two types of installations or two types of the modes. One desktop mode and web mode. To install both the modes, we have to use this command. If you want to install only desktop mode, you have to use this command. For only web mode, we have to use this one. So, I want to install Pgadmin for both the modes. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. Type S and hit enter. See, the download size is 200 megabytes and total size required is 751 megabytes. Type S for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed Pgadmin. If you click on activities, show applications, see here we have the Pgadmin 4. Click on it. See, this is the desktop mode application. Let me maximize it. Now click on add new server, or in the servers right click and click on register, then select this server, both are same. Then provide the name. I am giving RHEL 9. Name can be anything. Then in connection parameters, we have to give the correct ones. So I am on, see, PostgreSQL is installed on this localhost. So give the localhost or give the IP, both are same. Then port number 5432, maintenance database. Every PostgreSQL installation has the Postgres, username Postgres, then provide the password of this Postgres user. Then click on save. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL from the Pgadmin. See, I have these databases. We can verify that. See, I have these databases. The next mode is Q to quit, exit. For web mode, we have to run this command. That is script. We have to run that script. So paste it and hit enter. See, enter email and password for the initial admin user account. So give any email. Then provide the password. Type yes to enable the Apache Web Server. Now this is the link to connect Pgadmin in web mode. Copy it. Paste it. Or simply you can give the IP or the local host or the system name, host name. All three are same. Hit enter. Here we have to give the mail ID that we have given. test@gmail.com. Then provide the password. Don't save. See, whatever the password here we have given. See, here we have given the mail and password. That password I have given. See, we got the same console. See, here in desktop mode and web mode both are same. Okay. Click on servers or add new server. Right click on it. Select new. Select register on server. Then give the local host. Provide. Same I am giving the local host. Username Postgres. Provide the password. Click on save. Don't save. See, we have connected successfully. See, we have the same databases. As I told you, here instead of that, you can give the replace this loopback IP with localhost. See, we got the same screen. if config. Even we can give this IP. Copy it. Pgadmin4. Hit enter. See, we got the same login screen or login page. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Pgadmin4 on RHEL. The process is same on Oracle Linux, Alma Linux. Okay. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.